Welcome to our video tutorial on managing rent arrears. Brought to you by All Seasons Lettings, London's leading, multi-award-winning guaranteed rent specialist with over 30 years of experience in the industry. Today, we'll take you through a step-by-step process on what to do if your tenant falls behind on rent. First, stay calm and assess the situation. Confirm the arrears and double-check your records and ensure there's no mistake. Sometimes payments can be delayed due to trivial issues like banking errors or your tenant forgetting to make payment. Next, communicate with your tenant. Reach out to your tenant. A polite phone call or email can go a long way. Address the issue with empathy and see if there is a temporary difficulty they're facing. Understanding their situation may help you formulate a solution beneficial for both parties. Offer a payment plan to your tenant. Propose a realistic repayment plan that accommodates their situation while ensuring you receive the owed rent. This could be beneficial to both parties to avoid escalation. If communication and payment plans fail, you may need to proceed with legal options. The most common process is serving a Section 8 notice on grounds of rent arrears. A Section 8 notice is used as a first step to take your tenant to court if they fail to pay their rent. Grounds 8, 10, and 11 are specific to rent arrears and late payments of rent. Ground 8 requires the tenant to owe at least 8 weeks' rent if collected weekly or 2 months if collected monthly. Ground 10 can be served for any amount of rent arrears, they do not need to be over 8 weeks or 2 months. Ground 11 is served when your tenant pays their rent persistently late. Ground 8 is a mandatory ground, which means that if it is proved that your tenant owes 8 weeks or 2 months' rent or more, a judge has to grant a possession order and award payment of the arrears owed. Grounds 10 and 11 are discretionary grounds, meaning if they are proved, it is down to the judge's discretion at the hearing if possession of the property and any money judgment is awarded. You will need to give your tenants 2 clear weeks' notice on the Section 8 and you can't begin legal proceedings before this period expires. If your tenant does not clear the outstanding balance before the notice expires, you can make an application to the courts for a possession order, a money judgment for the arrears owed and your legal fees. Stay tuned as we cover the court application process after a Section 8 notice expires. Before proceeding, it's important to consult with a legal professional or a landlords association. They can guide you through the complexities of the legal process and ensure that all procedures are followed correctly. We hope this guide has been helpful. Managing rent arrears can be challenging, but with the right steps, you can approach the situation calmly and legally. Thankfully, our landlords do not need to worry about rent arrears as we pay them guaranteed rent. For more information on how we can take the risk of rent arrears away from you, please get in touch. For more information, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below if you would like us to cover any specific landlord and tenant related topics.